And thank you again for your service to our community and to this hospital. As we know, we're blessed to have a county commission and a city commission that work so well together. The leaders represented here today make that possible. We're blessed that we have civic leaders who take away from their normal occupations and serve at great compensation. As we know, our civic leaders are not really paid much at all to do what they do. But someone who, if you don't spend any time away from Albany, Georgia, you need to know is probably one of the greatest ambassadors of Southwest Georgia and this county in particular, and that's a person they call Jeff by day and Bodine by night. Our own county commission chairman, Jeff Bodine Sinyard, is here, and I know this had to have been a special occasion because he's got socks on. But if you want to know probably indeed the most influential person around the state of Georgia from Southwest Georgia, all you have to do is go to Atlanta or go to Augusta or go to the 50-yard line at Sanford Stadium and say Bodine, and I assure you there are a bunch of people that know who you're talking about and where he's from. I'm honored to introduce Jeff Bodine Sr., our county commission chairman.
Good afternoon. Well, Mary, your remarks were really good. I can read a lot better than I can make remarks, so it's going to work out real well. And Dr. Marvin Allen, in 1975, I was playing baseball, and a line drive hit me in the mouth and broke my jaw, and Marvin wired me together. That was a joyous day for a lot of folks around Albany, Georgia. I couldn't talk for 6 weeks, and it was even harder to get a date, let me assure you. It's my honor today to really exclaim a proclamation that is befitting of this occasion, is representative of the Albany Dougherty Board of Commissioners, and at this time I'd like to do that. Whereas from July 31st, 1911, the date Phoebe Putney Memorial Hospital opened its doors to business, to this very date, 100 years later, Phoebe Putney Memorial Hospital has provided and continues to provide a strong foundation for the health and well-being of all the residents it serves. And for those 100 years, tens of thousands of hardworking healthcare professionals, physicians, nurses, and volunteers have devoted themselves to the utmost care and the healing of their patients. For 100 years, Phoebe Putney Memorial Hospital has fulfilled our founding citizens' vision of access to high-quality health care and has held true to the founding mission that the hospital would serve all persons in the community without regard to race or the ability to pay for services. Whereas the Board of Commissioners of Dougherty County stands appreciative for Phoebe Putney's steadfast recognition and implementation of that founding mission. With the July 22nd, 1941 creation of the Albany Authority of Albany-Dougherty County, the Board of Commissioners of Dougherty County has overwhelmingly given its support to Phoebe Putney and its mission and pledges to continue to do so. The Board of Commissioners believes, as its former chairman, Gil Berry, did, when he stated that Phoebe Putney Memorial Hospital is the center and pivot around which the economy and the well-being of this city and county revolve. Each member of the Board of Commissioners duly recognizes and appreciates the stated mission of the Phoebe Putney Hospital and appreciates the millions of dollars of the charity care and community benefits that Phoebe Putney has provided and continues to provide on a yearly basis. While we recognize that Phoebe is what it is today because of the people who have gone before, we also recognize that Phoebe Putney will continue to grow through the efforts of the Phoebe family. The Phoebe employees providing high-touch care in a high-tech medical environment. Now, therefore, on behalf of the Board of Commissioners of Dougherty County, Georgia, I, Jeff, Senior Chairman, hereby recognize that the 100th anniversary of Phoebe Putney Memorial Hospital and the outstanding contributions that the hospital and those who have guided it through the years have made to the citizens and patients of our community. At Phoebe Putney, the hands are different, and it is because of those caring hands that we are able to celebrate this historically significant milestone here today. Phoebe, our community thanks you for all you do this, the 21st day of April, 2011. Thank you, Phoebe Putney. Thank you for all of you that work here, volunteer, serve here, serve our region, our community. We have some of the best care in the world and in this country right here at this location. Thank you.